Hi there everybody, delighted to have you along for the ride for this game. Alan Smith has joined me in the commentary position. We've had a huge amount of build-up for this game. Alan, is it going to carry on the pitch? Are we going to be richly entertained?
Well, I do hope so, Martin. I mean, we've got a full house, we've got a wonderful atmosphere, and we've got two high-quality teams.
And here we are, the start of the match. Gone in strongly. Marco Reus. Here come the supporting cast for him. That's a decent challenge by the opponent. It's a chance! Got to be! The goal stands! And the score is 1-0. It's a return ball. Attacking well here. Here's the shot. Well, it wasn't the best connection, was it? You've got to hit these new footballs right in the middle, right on that sweet spot.
Yeah, and he's normally quite reliable when it comes to striking the ball, but...
Have added time to come. And now can he score? So it's 1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes. Well, it's been tight and chances have been at a premium, but we've had a breakthrough, and now we await really what the reaction's going to be from what the managers say to the two teams at half-time.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't the best in the first half. Sometimes the kind of...
45 minutes to go as we start the second half. Can he turn away from the challenge here? Corner for Bayer Leverkusen. Goes for goal with a volley. And there is the goal that puts them level. We're all level again. 1-1 the score. What a chance here. Shots on here. What a save. And coming up now, a corner. Well, we're going to have a change now. And the manager trying something different in the hopes of getting his team in front. And he shoots. Crisp defending there. Marco Reus. Good forward play from them. Close range chance, and here's the shot, and there's the goal to put them in front. And the scoreline is 2-1. It's a very crisp challenge there. Opportunity here, here's the chance, and such quality in the build-up, and a brilliant finish, a wonderful goal. And it's 3-1, the goals keep on coming. Can have it back. He takes the shot, and that's a brilliant goal, well taken. (3-2) on the scoreboard now. Have to take it over the line. Well, they've got the ball there and they want to restart the game. You can understand that with the throw. On it goes. What a chance! And that's an equaliser. So late in the day, but it's definitely in and it counts. 3-3 on the scoreline. He's cut it out, and he's cut out the danger. No mistake about that. And the referee brings it all to a halt now. Wonderful match, and you can't separate the two sides. For a friendly game, it was played at a really good tempo and a really good sense of competition too, as we can see by the final score ending in a draw.
Yeah, that doesn't always happen, does it? No matter what the manager says, but you're right, there was a good competitive feel to it out there.